Alright, question 3. A few people dropped marks on this one by not being specific enough or getting a little bit confused on what the question wanted them to say. Okay, so we're looking at a stratified sample of 40 students taken from 84 year 12s and 56 year 13s. So because it's stratified by year group, we need to work out how many he's going to take from each year group. Okay, so we've got 140 in total, so 84 out of 140 gives us a fraction of year 12s times 40, and that tells us we want 24 year 12. Okay. Similarly, we do 56 over 140 times 40, and we get 16 year 13. Okay, so you can say he needs 24 year 12 and 16 year 13. Okay, number each student in each year group. You need to be clear that you're numbering each student in each year group separately, so you're not starting at 1 and going to 140. It's going 1 to 84 and 1 to 56, so each year group separately. Okay, so each student's got a number now, and then we need to say how we're going to pick the random numbers. So we say use a random number generator to pick the students in each strata. Okay, so we need the 24 and 16, we need the number of each student, and we need the random number generator to get all 3 marks. Okay, part B, pretty much everyone was spot on this. So performance is equal to 26.1 plus 5.60 times the hours of sleep. Okay, so the gradient's going to be 5.60, so for every extra hour of sleep, we're going to do better in performance by 5.6. And it asks what will 0.5 hours of sleep do. So 0.5 hours of sleep will do half of that, so it'll be an increase of performance of 2.8. Some people worked out what your performance would be on 6 hours of sleep and 6.5 hours of sleep and took them away. That's fine, but you expect to just recognise that because the gradient's 5.6, an increase of a half will be half of 5.6, which is 2.8. Okay, describe a limitation. Okay, the obvious one would be people get an amazing performance off unlimited sleep, which is unrealistic. Some people try to explain it, I'll say there must be an optimum amount of sleep, and going beyond that wouldn't improve your performance, but this model would suggest it does. Something like that, anything like that's fine really. Okay, yes, it doesn't take into other factors into account. Someone else made a good point, say they're only looking at sleep for 1 night. If you've had 5 weeks of no sleep and then suddenly you've got 1 night of good sleep, it's unlikely that you're going to do brilliantly. Okay.